Okay, welcome back. Have an expansion for the self-watering container garden. Okay, so I'll just work with these buckets here when I explain. So this is my fill bucket here. It will fill these two, keep the water at a certain level with these two buckets based on this right here. This is wicking material that will pull the water from the bottom of the bucket through the gravel here. And I determined that towel strips are the best thing to use for that. This is gravel in the bottom, as I explained before. Alright, my expansion is this. So these are single plants. This will probably be a jalapeno, this could be a tomato. But as we extend off of that, I figure I want to grow more. Okay, so my next idea is to include a Rubbermaid Sterilite bin, whatever brand. Okay, it's gonna have the same gravel at the bottom. It's gonna have potting soil here, raised bed soil mixed to there. Obviously that's the surface level, and the same wicking material will be here throughout the soil, pulling the water from bucket to bucket. Okay, and through the wicking material, we'll pull it up through the gravel, through the soil. And obviously as the sun, which is up here somewhere, heats everything up, dries the soil out, and as the plants pull the water out of the soil, the wicking material will keep a constant water moisture level throughout the soil. Okay? And again, that's from the fill bucket here. It'll keep the same water level through all of these. I've tested that out. It does work for all three types. It'll keep the water at the same level. Obviously this will hold more water volume, but it'll still be the same height. Okay?